Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm so hyped up to share you the exciting news of the first build ever that I'm gonna do, and I've got delivery of the first car, and I'll show you the enemies right behind you. So if you're thinking what got me into all this, big shout out to Matt Armstrong. So watching his videos, all his rebuilds lit a big fire in me, and like I always wanted to do something with cars, like, but I had no idea what to do. Like I'll just keep changing. Like sometimes I might think like, okay, let me try and wrap cars or just mod cars, all these things, but I never went into it. And like watching his videos made me think, okay, let me give it let me give it a try. So I bought my first car, crash damaged car, and like his builds are really inspiring. So if you have not watched his videos, Matt Armstrong, don't miss his videos. His builds are really nice, and so like I cannot wait to show you what I've got planned for this car. And it's not like a expensive or a supercar or anything like that. It's just a normal car, but I just wanted to start with something small and something I can learn from, rather than like getting a massive project and getting stuck. So I didn't want to do that. So it's a little something and little some. So like I might be doing maybe some modifications. So you'll know. Like so, if you're a person who likes to watch car mods or car videos or anything like that, you're in the right place. So let's get started. So let me show you the car and see. So that's the car. It's a Audi A5. So let me show you the damages. It's a bit too bright. It's really sunny. So the front end is fully damaged. The wing needs to be changed. The bonnet, the bumper. Also, I'm not sure if this wing can be saved and fixed, but let's see. I'm not sure yet. Also, there might be some damages inside which I wasn't expecting. So as you can see, the radiator is completely broken, so that might need changing. The headlight, and let's see. Let's get started then. I'm just gonna take everything apart and see, and then we can assess the damage. So let's have a look inside the car. It's quite nice in here for a 15-year-old car. So manual transmission, nice and clean inside. Leather seats all around. Nothing in there. It starts and drives, so hopefully nothing major to do apart from the bodyworks and stuff. And also notice the sound system is Bang & Olufsen. So let's get started with the build. I'm so excited, and stay tuned. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and enjoy the video. Let's get started. So I thought I'll get the bonnet out of the way. It'll be a lot easier if that's out. So it's quite straightforward. Just pulling the washers out, and the screen washers out. Then just 4 bolts, 2 bolts on each side, and first job done. And next I'm gonna take the wheel off, so it's easier to access the bolt and the screws for the bumper and the front wing. Also the wheel liner is coming out. Now this was hard work because all the screws for the liner was so rusty, so I had to drill them out. just trying to take the fog light out so I don't damage it in the process of removing the bumper. And also what I realized, you don't have to take the whole wheel off to access the screws for the bumper. So also I didn't have to take the wheel because I didn't have to remove the link for the passenger side. Finally the bumper is off, so now I'm undoing the bolts for the crash bar, so once that's out of the way I can actually easily access the radiator and the condenser, which is fully messed up. So these hoses are meant to slide out. It's proving to be difficult. I'll get back to you once I take it out. So finally, after more than half an hour, this hose is off now, and let's get this removed. So finally, the condenser, the radiator, the intercooler and everything is out. It was a nightmare job getting that out. It wasn't easy. It took me a long time. It wasn't easy. So now I'm just taking the bolts off for the slam panel and the one left screw on the top. So slam panel out and all the damaged parts out now. So I've taken all the broken parts out, and I've ordered the parts what I need now, so hopefully it'll be here soon. And just one worrying thing I just found after removing everything. I saw it earlier on, but there's oil all over the engine, so I'm just hoping there's like you know, this what do you call, the dipstick tube is cracked in here, so I'm really hoping it's just oil just sprayed from there all over the engine. So apart from that, I can't see any visible damages on the engine, so let's hope for the best. And if you like the video, hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.